Suit up, boys, cause playtime is over. I don't want no joyriding, drag racing, low riding, or taking the chickies to make our point.
Little help.
Separate, you are four seriously skilled racers. But together, your team... Oh, I forgot to come up with a team name.
What about Team White Wheels?
No!
Team Lotus Wheels. Team Butt-Kicking Butt Kickers. Wheels. I got it. Team Hot Wheels. Yeah!
Like I was saying, separate your four seriously skilled racers, but together you're...
Team Hot Wheels!
Now go get the bad guy!
Twin Mill is set for speed. Jump Truck is ready to bounce. Quick and Sick is online.
Bone Shaker is single and ready to mingle. Come on, guys. Does every awesome suit-up sequence have to be so cool?
Wyatt, you and Brandon settle the score with Lincoln. Red and I are gonna pigeonhole that big bird. Sweet.
Gage, look! That giant pigeon's making a bird feeder out of the school! We gotta save those kids!
Watch my back. I'm going in. Know why they call it the Twin Mill? 'Cause it's got a 1-2 punch! Okay, I'll save Gammagram. You save everyone else. A fair deal as always. Securing coordinates of helpless old people. Initiating love that you suck.
Help! Help! Save Gammagram!
I got you, Gammy.
Oh, thank you for saving me, anonymous masked hero, the height and shape of my grandson.
You're welcome, Gammy old lady who I don't know. Rev, you're mine. Oh, no, you don't, Wyatt.
Gage, wait for me! My baby! A pigeon ate my baby! Uh-oh.
Okay, I'll get in front and slow him down. You make sure he doesn't... No, I'll get in front. Watch out! Never catch him now. We need a miracle.
Did someone say miracle?
Yeah! Bounce away, buddy! Let's see how tough you are outside your car.
Gage! Help! I can't shake Lincoln. He keeps turning up like a bad penny.
Hang on, buddy! I'll distract him! Hey, stop that!
Okay, now let's see who you really are.
Gage! Help! Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh! Oh! Right the face! Oh! Oh! Gage! Help! Hey! I gotcha!
I thought we'd be shark bait for sure.
Guys, check it out! I think we got him!
Aw, he looks like a turtle stuck on his back.
Yeehaw! I'm a hero!
We're all heroes!
Brandon likey! Larry's gonna flip when he hears we caught Rev!
Rev, we hardly knew ye.
Well, looks like we aren't finished yet. Let's get the varmint! Come on, team! Let's roll!
And Larry's gonna kill us.
Are you sure about that?
Larry!
You boys crashed up these cars real good.
Wait, you're not mad?
No! Everybody knows you've got to break an omelet to make a few eggs.
Wait, what?
You done good, boys. You almost got Rev. And come on, let's get these cars hitched up and fixed up. We'll try again first thing in the morning. I'll make you a frittata.
Ooh! What's a frittata?